Hello dear students, today is your English class and today I want to teach you about use of punctuation marks and rules to be followed. आज की क्लास में हम punctuation marks के बारे में पढ़ेंगे और उन्हें कैसे यूज़ किया जाता है ये हम पढ़ेंगे. Now tell me what are punctuation marks? Punctuation marks क्या होते हैं? The English language has a system of symbol and signs known as punctuation. English language में symbols और signs को use करने का एक system होता है. यानी जब sentences form किए जाते हैं, when we form the sentences, then we need to give stop and some pauses to the sentences. So these stops and pauses are called punctuation marks. And why do we need punctuation? Punctuation shows us how to structure sentences and how each sentences should be read. यानी punctuation ये show करते हैं कि किस तरह से एक sentence को form किया जाता है और उसे किस तरह से read किया जाता है. Okay, now look the following punctuation marks. Now this is the comma. And it says, I think we should take a break for just a second. Then this is full stop. I think we should stop altogether. Then this is exclamation mark. I agree. And this is question mark. Means what are you guys talking about? These all are the punctuation mark. Now let's learn. How should we use this punctuation marks in the sentences? When we form the sentences, then first we need to use capital letters. Now what are capital letters and where should we use these capital letters? Now capital letters are used at the beginning of every new sentence and for names of particular people, places and titles. And I is always a capital letter. Now for example, when we form any sentence, then the first letter of this sentence always be written in the capital form. जब हम कोई sentence form करते हैं तो उसका first letter हमेशा capital लिखा जाता है. Then we write the name of any particular person. Then we need to write the first letter of this name in capital letter. जब हम किसी का name लिखते हैं तब हमें उसका first letter capital में लिखना होता है. Now for the example. Let's see these examples. I play tennis with Sanjay. In this sentence, this I is the first letter of this sentence. So we should write this first letter in capital form. Then this is the first letter of a name. This is the first letter of a particular name. So it is also be written in capital form. Next is Dr. Rao at home. Now in this sentence again this I is the first letter of this sentence and this D and this R are the first letter of a particular name. So these letters should be written in capital form. Next sentence, my brother and I play cricket. I always be written in capital form. In this sentence, this I is between the sentences. इस sentence के अंदर I बीच में आ रहा है. This I is not the first letter of this sentence, but according to the rule, I is always written in capital form. Now the next punctuation mark is full stop and this is the sign of full stop. Okay. Now let's see where should we use this full stop. Full stop are put at the end of a sentence to tell you that the sentence is over. When we write a sentence and when it is over, means after completion of a sentence, we should put a full stop at the end of the sentence. Now look this sentence. The dog is brown. We go to school. Here this sentence is over. So we need to put a full stop at the end of this sentence. And full stop is also put at the end of a statement. For example, let me try that. This is a statement. So we need to put full stop at the end of this statement and Rohan went to the shop. He bought sweets. This is a sentence, so we need to put a full stop at the end of this sentence. The next punctuation mark is question mark, and this is the symbol of this question mark. And this question mark tell you that the sentence is a question and is asking something. यानी जब हमें सेंटेंस से ये पता चलता है कि किसी से कुछ पूछा जा रहा है, तब यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन मार्क का यूज किया जाता है. एंड क्वेश्चन मार्क इज यूज्ड व्हेन वी वांट टू आस्क समथिंग. मीन्स इफ वी वांट टू आस्क समथिंग टू समवन, देन वी नीड टू यूज क्वेश्चन मार्क. एंड दिस क्वेश्चन मार्क आल्सो बी पुट एट द एंड ऑफ द सेंटेंस. क्वेश्चन मार्क भी हमेशा सेंटेंस के एंड में लगाया जाता है. नाउ फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्हाट इज योर नेम? In this sentence, someone's name is asking. So this is a question and we have to put a question mark at the end of this sentence. Next, where do you live? तुम कहाँ रहते हो? It is also a question. So we need to put a question mark at the end of this sentence. Let's see some more examples. Are you going to zoo? What is your seat number? These both are questions. So here this question mark is put. Next punctuation mark is exclamation mark, and this is the sign of exclamation mark. Exclamation mark is used to express strong emotions like happy, sad, angry, surprised or any such feelings. Means this exclamation mark shows excitement. Suppose when someone gives you a surprise birthday party on your birthday, then you get very happy and you will express your happiness feelings. If you won a match, then you also will get happy and you will express your feelings through hooray, we won. This is a excitement. Means this exclamation mark shows your strong feelings of happiness. Like this, ouch, that hurts. When you got hurt, you also express your feelings through this word ouch. Then this exclamation mark shows your hurtness. Let's see some more example of this exclamation mark. Stop. Don't run on the road. Stop. Please don't cut the trees. Now these all are exclamation mark. Next punctuation mark is quotation mark, and this is the symbol of this quotation mark. And this quotation mark tell you that these words or sentences were spoken by someone. ये हमें ये बताता है कि ये जो words या sentences है वो किसी के द्वारा बोले गए हैं. Means when the words or sentences were spoken by others and anyone other said them as it is, repeated them as it is, then we need to use this question mark. See this example. Rita said that is my book. Means Rita ने कहा था कि वह मेरी book है. In this sentence, that is my book, these words were spoken by Rita. So here we need to use this quotation mark. Next example, where are we going? Asked the child. हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं? बच्चों ने पूछा. In this sentence, this where are we going? These words are spoken by someone, means spoken by child. So we need to put these words between this quotation mark and these are the quotation mark. Some more examples are, I said I am going on a train journey. मैंने कहा मैं ट्रेन जर्नी पर जा रहा हूँ. These words were spoken by me, so we need to put these words in this quotation mark. Next is, what is your seat number? Asked the conductor. Conductor ने पूछा तुम्हारा seat number क्या है? Now these words, what is your seat numbers, were spoken by conductor. So we should put these words into the quotation mark. Okay. Next punctuation mark is a comma, and this is the symbol of a comma. Commas are short pauses within a sentence. They do not end the sentence. They can indicate pauses between two or more words of the same kind. Means कॉमास जो है वह सेंटेंस के बीच में एक शॉर्ट पॉज होता है, छोटा सा पॉज होता है, और इसका मतलब होता है कि यहाँ पर सेंटेंस एंड नहीं होता है. एंड कॉमास इंडिकेट पॉजेस बिटवीन टू और मोर वर्ड्स ऑफ द सेम काइंड. एंड देयर आर डिफरेंट यूजेस ऑफ कॉमास. सेंटेंस के बीच में कॉमास को अलग अलग तरह से यूज किया जाता है. नाउ द फर्स्ट यूज ऑफ कॉमा, to separate someone's name or address from the rest of the sentence. किसी के नेम और उसके एड्रेस को उसके सेंटेंस से अलग करने के लिए. नाउ फॉर एग्जाम्पल, Karan, the Maharaja of Khazarli, wanted to build a grand palace. Now this Karan, the Maharaja of Khazarli, Karan is a name and the Maharaja of Khazarli is an address, and wanted to build a grand palace is a complete sentence. So we need to put comma to separate this name and this address to this sentences. इस नेम और एड्रेस को सेंटेंस से अलग करने के लिए कॉमा का यूज किया जाता है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट यूज ऑफ कॉमा इज टू गिव सम एक्स्ट्रा इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट समवन. किसी के बारे में कोई एक्स्ट्रा इंफॉर्मेशन देने के लिए, मीन्स टू गिव द एक्स्ट्रा इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट समवन, वी नीड टू यूज comma. For example, Amrita Bishnoi, a strong and brave woman, sacrificed her life while protecting trees. Amrita Bishnoi ने एक स्ट्रॉन्ग और ब्रेव वुमेन है जिसने अपनी लाइफ को सैक्रिफाइस्ड किया था ट्रीज को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए. नाउ इन दिस sentence is telling us about more about the Amrita Bishnoi, so we need to put here commas. Next use of commas, to separate a series of words in a list. Means if we have the same kind of words, means more than one adjective to describe anything, then we need to put commas here. The village became green, beautiful and prosperous. This green, beautiful and prosperous words are describing this village. So we need to put here commas, and green, beautiful and prosperous words are the same kind. Means same words of a list. So we need to put here commas. So in our today's class we have learnt about the punctuation marks. Now what are punctuation marks? First is capital letter. Next is full stop, then question mark, then exclamation mark, then quotation mark and the commas. And without this punctuation mark we cannot form any sentence, we cannot structure a sentence. बिना punctuation mark के कोई भी sentence form नहीं किया जा सकता है. And to read this sentences we need two punctuation marks. Because while reading we need to give the pauses and that's why we need to punctuation mark in the sentences. Okay, now thank you.